My mom, she has been sick for about 13 years, and we couldn't find what was wrong with her forever. And she's in a lot of pain, sitting on the couch, can't do anything, you know? It hurts her to walk around the house, so she can't do much. And, you know, we went from doctor to doctor to doctor trying to find out what it was, and we just hopefully found out what it was about a month ago, maybe 2. And she had Lyme's disease, and the medicine that we needed to pay for was very expensive, and she needs to be on that every single month. And she would have been still in pain if we never found it. So all those years going from doctor to doctor, people might not have that ability to do and go see the doctor you may want if this health bill gets passed. People like her who don't know what they have, the disease or the problems that they may have, they just won't be able to find a doctor because the government won't allow them. And wouldn't you think that those people would want their life back? You know, my mom we have been seeing some changes in her because of the medicine. So there's hope in the future, but we would have never found that if we couldn't go to doctor. So if this bill gets passed, people are gonna die who are older. I mean, the population will decrease because, hey, you're old, good luck. You only got a couple years left. You know, if you give them the drugs or the hip replacement they need, they could live another 10, 20 years, but, you know, instead you're going to live 3. It's just mind-boggling how these people do not see what they're going to do to this country if they vote this in. So I'm trying to get this YouTube video out there before it happens so that the people can view this and say, hey, I agree with her. We need to do something. Because frankly, this is going to affect my life, the rest of my life, and my kid's life, and my next kid's life. Yeah, the older adults, you know, it's going to affect them too, but, you know, they've got, what, 20, 30 years max, maybe more. And if this health bill gets passed, maybe 10. Depends on how old they are. But I have my whole teen life ahead of me. And does not look good. And I hope that if this bill just gets destroyed and it says, no, we're not going to sign it, but if it does, I hope we can get rid of it because our country's going to go. Not looking forward to that at all. That's what my YouTube channel is all about. We're going to fight back. Well, at least I am. I hope people fight with me because I'm going to fight alone if I have to. No one is going to change my country the way I don't like it, because I'll move before this country gets worse. I will move. Because if they're not going to listen and no one's going to fight, and then what's the point? I am already ticked and it's not even passed yet. So I hope you guys listen to me, because you don't have to, but I hope you guys support me in this cause because it's important and it's going to affect your life for the rest of your life. And go ahead, subscribe, because you're going to want to hear what I have to say.